In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Trello the easiest way. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can comfortably and successfully create your Trello account. First, fire up your web browser and head over to Trello.com. This site will be our starting point for setting up your new account. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent button that invites you to get Trello for free. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now it's time to enter your email address. Make sure you use an email that you have access to, as you'll need to verify this later on in the process. After entering your email, locate and click the sign up button to move forward. This action will direct you to a page where Trello will ask what brought you here today. Although it's optional, you can answer this or simply choose to skip it by clicking on skip. The following step involves naming your board. Think of a name that best represents the board's purpose, since this is what helps you organize your projects efficiently. Once you're satisfied with your board's name, click on Next to continue. Next, you'll need to create lists within your board. For a simple structure, consider naming your lists to do, doing, and done. This approach helps you visualize tasks and their progress at a glance. Click Next to confirm these. Moving on, it's time to name your specific cards. Cards are individual tasks or pieces of information that belong in the list you've created. After naming your cards, click Next to advance. Now, if you're planning to collaborate with others, you can invite your team by entering their email addresses. However, if you're setting this up for personal use or want to skip this part for now, you can simply click Skip. At this point, an important step awaits: verifying your email. Trello sends a verification email to the address you provided, so make sure to go to your inbox and follow the link to verify your email account. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter your full name and choose a password. These credentials will serve as your login details, so pick a password that's both secure and memorable. After ensuring all details are correctly filled in, click on Continue to wrap things up. And there you have it, you've successfully signed up for Trello. You now have the tool set to organize projects and collaborate with others efficiently. It's as straightforward as that. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Trello.